Okay, so now we're going to look at the new batch import that we have created. This process is quite a bit more streamlined than the old one. So what we're going to show you right now is how easy it is to qualify and research information for a whole list of addresses all at the same time. Could be anywhere from a dozen to hundreds, or theoretically even thousands. First thing we do after we log into CarrierFinder is we open the toolbox. Down in the toolbox we have batch upload. This list right now will give me a list of all my batch jobs. If I want to click on, if I want to get more records, I just scroll down and just keep clicking on more, and I'll see all my ones in the past. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new batch job, and we're going to call this test. The next thing is we need the addresses. So one of the things that's always to me a pain with doing imports is you got to have an Excel file in all the right order, etc. In CarrierFinder it's super easy. You just bring up the spreadsheet or text file or whatever you want to do. You highlight the service addresses, and I'm just going to select a group of them. I'm going to copy them. Go back to the tool. I'm going to paste them. Now it might look like a mess there, but don't worry about it. Click on submit. At this point we have got the raw data into it, but we needed to turn it on for processing. So we click the Q button to on and press save. At this point it is now queued up for processing. And if you want to check the current status, you would just click the refresh button. And now we can see it's already started processing. There's 32 records in this. And you could just literally just come back to this if you want to go do whatever you wanted to do, and come back into this. And I would see that while I was away, it updated some of these records. If I wanted just to sit here and wait, periodically I could just press refresh and see where it's at in its processing. Now keep in mind that this feature is only available for our premium users because of our daily usage limitations for the free version. Okay, so this is good. We're complete. There were 32 records, 28 complete, and 4 errors. Now if we wanted to now go in and edit or export the list, we would click on Edit Export. If I want to find out where those errors are, I would search for errors. And here we go. There's something funny in these addresses. One thing that I think we still have a couple strange things going on, because I don't think these are actual errors, and I suspect that if I switch these all back to pending, and I have to click on the save and don't do anything with it, okay, now we have these in pending again. Go to it, switch it back to on. I think we have something with the timing where sometimes it comes up with a geocode error. We click on refresh, and lo and behold, it did all of them. So I think that's a little something we need to fix there. But it could have been just a bogus address as well, and in that case I would go into the site address and I would fix it right here, and then again I would change the status to pending, click on save, and then I would do a reprocess on it. Now the nice thing here is that when we're in this, okay, it's got a little bit of information that it found, but to keep the screen clean, we're not showing very much. But the nice thing is you click on export data, and you'll see that there is a huge amount of information here. And that if I actually looked at all of it, I would see who the telco is, the telco parent, the SILI code, the exchange, the LATA name, the NPA, NXX, the CO address, how many miles from the CO, what carriers are present in that area. And so just a whole bunch of good information there. Also, the latitude and longitude are also available. They look kind of funny because you have to format it, but if you format these as numbers, decimal places 10, we can see that we get all the geocoding information too. So a real easy way to geocode a list of addresses as well. So yeah, a lot of functionality, very fast, very simple to use. Great. That's all there is to it. We come back here, and we are now back at our screen. We have completed that, and that's all there is to it. Keep in mind, this feature is only available to premium subscribers. If you'd like to update your account, click on this list and click on this link to place your order. And there you go. The premium version is $79 per month for the first user and $10 a month for each additional user. Have a great day.